Hey guys, Chad Jenkins with SeedSpark Collab. Thanks for stopping by. Today we're going to unpack referral collaborations. This is the next in a series where we really dive deep on the 4 types of collaboration to give you actionable intelligence, stuff that you can go put in place today and begin to benefit from true collaborations. So without any further ado, let's get into it. So referral collaborations. First and foremost, no money's transferred. Yep, no money. So these are collaborations with, I would argue, they're lookalike to your business. I would absolutely argue that they have the same hero target. And when I say hero target, it's language from Dan Sullivan that I picked up at Strategic Coach Program. And it's, who do you want your business to be a hero to? And that takes a lot of different forms. Of course, we've all heard of ICP, Ideal Client Profile. That's your clients. When you think about hero targets, you have many. You have at least 3. You have your vendors and suppliers, you have your team, employees, and you have your clients. So when I reference hero target, I'm talking about all 3. But when we think about referral collaborations, if you think about those who are serving your same hero targets, and you know that they deliver their goods and services at the same level of value that your passion does for yours. And those you can establish as your referral collaborations by giving it a unique name. Let's say that you have with a vendor, or that you have with a team member, or you have with a client. And giving those unique names, you're able to establish with them that every time that you run across someone associated with your organization that needs a product or service that they provide, you're going to open up the door and make a polite suggestion that they have a conversation at a minimum. Yes, I would tell you, templated emails make this a lot easier. I can even reflect back on quite a few programs I've done with multiple companies that I owned, where I would give some kind of consideration internally for our entire team to be aware of our referral collaboration partners. And that could be something as a list. I'm sure most of us have digital displays running in our businesses now. We have ours pop up just to keep top of mind awareness of those that are helping grow our business by way we're helping them grow their business through our referral partner collaborations. You can see that this is a pretty easy one to implement. We're going to use some naming. We're going to use some open-mindedness because we have more hero targets than just our clients. We have a lot more folks that are pouring into the success of our business. And this is a way that you can spread the word about them. Show some appreciation. What you'll see is you'll get the same thing back. In certain organizations and other entrepreneurs I've helped around the world, referral collaborations, a good target, 5 to 10. These are low-hanging fruit, and you can get them in place right quick. Let's talk about the burden to manage them. Once a quarter, we have an internal team member. We track all the ones that we make, and we simply just send an email saying we really appreciate all the work that they put in on our behalf to help keep our business safe and secure and continue thriving. And here's a list of folks that we sent their way. If there's anything we could do to help that relationship grow, we're here to do so. So in a nutshell, there's your referral collaborations. Nothing too heavy, really easy to implement, not a lot of burden to manage, but whoa, very impactful. In a minute, I'd just say a minute could equal a week. You could have 3 to 5 collaborations set up with referral partners and begin benefiting from their awareness. Remember that caveat. We got to name it. If you don't name it, this goes with everything that we create in our business. When you go to describe it, it's just a series of bullet points. It doesn't transfer that well. But when we give it a name, just like a new baby, hence name the baby as the tool name and the methodology, you can't unsee it. Just like you were to name one at home. So take advantage of it. Use that naming tool. We have custom GPTs for our naming tool, and there's a tool available at SeedSpark.com. If you just want to go to SeedSpark.com/tools, you'll find 3 to 4 tools there to help you in this endeavors. Thanks for stopping by, and look forward to seeing you soon.